A mystery hangs over the vertical solar panel. It generates more energy, but there's still something experts don't understand. Solar panels are a viable solution in the energy transition the world is undergoing. They provide an efficient and cost-effective way to produce clean, renewable electricity and help mitigate climate change. Solar energy is crucial due to rising energy demand and high fossil fuel prices. Opting for self-supply through solar panels is a lifesaver for people in remote areas without grid electricity. A Spanish startup, Future Voltaics, has designed a system with vertical panels and reflectors that halves the payback time of photovoltaic systems installed on rooftops. Future Voltaics, a spin-off from Spain's CSIC, has created Vector, a new solar PV system with vertical bifacial solar panels and specially designed reflectors. This system aims to make photovoltaic solar energy more economical and manageable, generating more energy during winter, early mornings, late afternoons, and cloudy days. Compared to conventional systems, Vector generates more energy when needed, reducing midday supply surplus. This technology balances supply and demand without trackers or moving parts. The vertical solar panel offers greater energy efficiency, reduced energy costs, higher ROI, and better performance in adverse weather conditions. It requires less maintenance, has a longer service life, and reduces the heat island effect in urban areas. This vertical solar panel could be the answer to the industry's need for new ways to exploit solar energy efficiently.